students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to see some of the most important things from data frames. So in the last video we have seen how to access all the column elements, row elements of a data frame by using dot operator and then with the list operator, right? Now you are going to see how to add or rename a column in a data frame. So how to add a column, first of all you are going to see that. Okay, so for that we are just going to see a simple data frame. We are going to create a data series of a list. Okay, these are all the list items of this series and going to pass this one as yes. Now yes will be given as this input parameter and you are going to make a data frame. After that, this is what df now, data frame. Now you are just going to rename this particular column. So that the keyword for that is df dot columns. df dot columns equal to list 1. So this is what to rename the default column values of the first column. Okay, so the first column name is now list 1. So this is what how to rename a column, and afterwards how to add up other columns in this particular data frame. Now you see here, this is what df already has been created by the series. So first column is 0, 15, 18, 22. That column name is list 1. Now afterwards list 2 is the next column of that particular df data frame, and we are going to just assign 20 for all the values, all the column values. So it will be looking like this. See here, 10, 15 is the list 1 and list 2 will be 20. And then next again we are just going to do df of list 3. I'm just going to create another one, list 3, another column, which will be the combination of these two, df list 1 and df list 2, means addition of df list 1 and list 2. So already list 1 has been now given as a series 10, 15, 18. List 2 is created by you. Now every values has been given 20, and then both the values should be added up and the list 3 has been now created. So automatically if you give, system will create a data frame of list 3 will be having the values of list 1 plus list 2. Okay, so now we are going to see this one in our IDLE, Python IDLE. See here, import pandas and then pd.series 10, 15. These are all as given in a single dimensional array list. So that now we are going to create a data frame of this series. So series will be now passed as an input parameter over here, and you have created df. Now df column names, you are going to give this one, renaming the column name, and then next column is going to be created by you. That is, the syntax is df open bracket and list 2 equal to 20, and list 3 will be generated by this keyword df of list 1, and we are going to add up both the list and 1 and 2, so that you are going to create list 3 equal to list 1 plus list 2. So means column 1 and 2 will be added up and will be created another one column. So this is what the thing, we are creating a column, renaming a column, everything has been now completed over here. Press F5. See here, now this column 10, 15 has been sent by you, okay, by the series list, and then 20, 20 is created automatically when you have given list 20 is list 2 is 20, so it is created newly. And then list 3 is the addition of list 1 and 2, where you could see 10 plus 20 is 30, 15 plus 20 35. So that list 3 has been generated by the system. When you are just going to say any of the formula passing over here, or multiplication, if you pass list 1 into list 2, if you give like this, both the things will be added up and going to be multiplied over here. You see here, so 10 into 20 200, 15 into 20 300. So these values has been generated by the system. It just multiply both the columns. So according to the calculation given over here, according to that it will run. Understand? So list 1 is this one 10, 15. list 2 is 20, and afterwards you are just multiplying both a list 1 and list 2, creating list 3. This is what creation of new columns in a data frames. Okay, this is what the thing you are going to learn. Do this one in your Python programming and get the output and show me in WhatsApp. Okay, so see you next.